a speak, but too many ears deaf to truth. Wake up humanity. Morning light rise over mountain night. Still too many people asking why. Running after riches, forgetting the soul. Searching for pieces but losing the whole. Babylon market full of shiny dreams. Nothing is ever the way it seems. Gold can't purchase peace for sleep. Only love is yours to keep. Children laughing under open skies. Carry tomorrow in their eyes. Teach them kindness while them young. Before another war is sung. Me hear the river talking low. Teaching everything me need for know it say. Walk humble, plant goodness, leave blessings wherever you go. Wake up humanity. Hear the lion calling free. Wake up humanity. Love unlock the destiny. No more walls between the hearts. No more tearing hope apart. Stand together hand in hand. Peace shall cover every land. Yeah. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up humanity. Wake up. Wake up humanity. Every tree standing without pride. Still it give the world its shade. Every river never drink itself. Still it carry priceless wealth. So why mankind fight for throne? Every soul is not alone. Jah create from one great breath. Love is stronger even than death. Me granny tell me long ago. Respect the seed before it grow. Every fruit begins so small, yet faith can overcome it all. Look within before outside. Truth no need a place we hide. Light already live inside. Only fear keeps shut the eyes. Listen. If your neighbor hungry, feed them. If your neighbor crying, comfort them. If your enemy stumble, don't rejoice. Mercy louder than revenge. Love louder than hatred. Truth louder than lies. That is the way that just show I and I. Wake up humanity. The sunrise never late. Wake up humanity. Love is greater than hate. Raise your voice but guard your heart. Every ending is a start. From the ashes flowers bloom. Life can chase away the gloom. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up humanity. Wake up. Wake up humanity. Jah light, guide I. Jah love, surround I. Jah peace, live in I. One blood, one people, one love, one destiny. Wake up humanity. Me walk through the valley where silence speak. Strong no mean you're never weak. Every scar become a map, showing how Jah bridge the gap. The eagle fly but never goes. The sea embrace every coast. Nature teach what books forget. Give thanks before your spirit set. Babylon say run faster still. Just stand calm upon the hill. One road chase See the farmer plant him grain, trusting sunshine after rain. Faith no living empty talk, faith reveal itself in walk. Mother Earth still feed us all, even when mankind may fall. Yet we poison stream and tree, then ask why we lose harmony. Respect the elder, guide the youth, walk in courage, stand in truth. Every child deserve a chance to grow in love, relevance. Money can buy peace of mind, leave no faithful heart behind. Riches fade like morning dew, character remain with you. Reasoning, hear me now. The lion never lose him strength, because the jackal boy stand firm. When them laugh at kindness, keep loving. When them answer peace with anger, keep walking. Every righteous seed have a season, every honest heart